Hello everybody, this is Johnny S with another video, and in today's video we're going to talk about the Bagster. How to actually put a Bagster on your bike. I had searched online for a few videos and I was not able to find some good information on how to do it that will actually showcase it. The purpose of the Bagster is, it provides you support to actually put bags on top of your bike. So there's two secure components here. So the bag sits at the top, it clips inside here, and then on the bottom side there's two laces that you put underneath, and then you lock them in place. And that's the purpose of the Bagster. Its purpose is to hold the bag that you're going to put. In my case, I'm not interested on any bags or anything as such, but what I'm going to do it for is just to test it out. The looks alone, I think it doesn't look nice. I add something different to the bike. I'm going to test it, see if I like it or not, and if not, I'll take it out. And another thing is protection. Like I said, my purpose is not to keep it on, but I am curious because I never had a Bagster on a bike to see what it looks like, you know what I mean? The process is relatively simple and easy. I'm going to explain it and try to showcase with the camera if I can. Unfortunately, the lighting is not the best. I've got a couple of extra lights in order for us to assist us in seeing what I want to show, but like I said, it's not so simple to see. But I'll try to move the camera whenever I can in order for me to showcase how it's done. So, I'm going to try to showcase what the procedure is like. Once you take your seat out, you unbuckle this piece of plastic, which comes relatively easy out. You do have to take a little bit care when you're taking it out. And the reason being is that behind this piece, there's a bracket component which actually locks into this one. So you need to make sure that this, as you're taking it out, you don't break this one. This component goes under here, so again you have to be careful. And this part here kind of folds underwards. So you take this out. I'll put it back on. Same thing on the other side. I'm not going to show both sides. It's simple. So you take your seat out. You take the plastic cover out. Be careful on that. And the way that the Bagster holds onto your bike is basically from two clips. So there's a clip on this side. Let me just undo it a bit. Which is like that. So it's this type of a clip. You put it under your deposit, under your tank. It needs to be metal. You pull it, you hold onto it so that it's aligned. Pull onto it hard, and then clip it in. Now some people like to put the end piece, this component underneath. Some people also glue it. The previous owner had glued this together so it doesn't come out, as can be seen. I like to put it on the outside. It makes no difference, whatever you feel like doing it. On the back side, I will show how it's done. So on this side, as can be seen, you have this component here. This comes out. So it comes out like this. You gotta take this piece of the cord, put it behind this base which holds the tank pad upwards. Fold it here. You might have a little bit of a hard time pulling it. Use some pliers, take it, pull it, and then thread it from the top side, on the bottom side, like this, and then pull it back. Again, like I said, with holding always the Bagster in place so it doesn't move. You're looking to align the top parts at the bottom. At the moment, it's a little bit on the back side. You're looking for this to be aligned in order for you to be able to take, put gas. Similar thing on the other side, and if we come on this side, we will see that there's a huge strap which goes down this way. It goes through all the plastics. Make sure it doesn't grab the plastic fender at the bottom, which protects the stabilizer, so you can feel where it goes. Feel it. This cable here is no problem. It's the steering cable, so if you turn your wheel, you can see it is touching just, I don't know if it can be seen, but it's not causing a problem. So you need to make sure that there's clearance. Similar on this. So you put it out this way. Make sure it doesn't touch the plastic. Make sure it's not twisted, that's the right way up. Again, thread it through there, and then you pull it and you hold that in place. So that's pretty much it. Let me put it there. And once you've strapped down your Bagster properly, secure it in place, pull all the sleeves. I haven't done this on purpose, just to demonstrate on the video. Put the plastic side covers again, and then put the seat. The seat can go on, it has no issue. Let me show that. So basically, this is where the screw is. It fits and holds into place. And obviously the seat also holds, so it doesn't shift. So it's a relatively easy procedure. But unfortunately I wasn't able to find a lot of videos online, you know what I mean? I wanted to do this. It's basically, it has two straps, one on this side, one on the other side. One back strap which goes under the seat, and a hitch strap which goes under the whole chassis. There is a way on the front strap, instead of putting it under the whole chassis, to put it under the deposit. But I found that there's a lot of cable free after that, which means that you have to tack it in somewhere, and when you have something hanging, it might get caught up on things, and the closer you get to the engine cover, the hotter it gets as well. So in order for it not to have any issues, I chose the preferred and most, let's say, best practice way, which is to secure it under the whole chassis, so under the skeleton. That's about it. I'd like to thank everybody for your time. Stay safe, and we'll talk soon. Goodbye.